Guys, we are pumped. This is week 1. Ghost investing, Finance Brothers doing the transition. We're excited. We're going to start doing 2 episodes a week of all the options that we're selling and how we're going to perform and execute our new strategy, Ghost Investing. Kate and I, pumped to launch this. We're hoping that we can get an official launch end of June of this year. We're going to start creating content now, putting it out. But if you're interested, just know the date around end of June, but we wanted to start posting our trades now, show you how we're investing a safer way than big money.
Yeah, so just to be clear with the rebrand, we're still Finance Brothers, but we're adding a playlist. So there's going to be 2. We're still on the road to 1 million, and for those of you that are curious, it's going amazing. But we're going to be doing 2 videos a week on Ghost Investing, which is a new venture. Much safer, more consistent, lower returns, and then once a week, big money. So this is our first video of the Ghost Investing Club. We're excited to get started. So Mac, why don't you tell the people, what trades did we make this week?
Okay. So we love Soxal, and we think the implied volatility of Soxal, and maybe what I can even do is while we're going over it, I can share the Robinhood so that people can see exactly what we're doing. Okay, so Soxal on a tear. Obviously, semi's really strong. We were looking at implied volatility of certain ETFs, stocks, etc. And the higher implied volatility you have, the more expensive the option is. And for Ghost Investing, we're all about expensive options because we're selling them now. We're not buying them. Soxal has been the one on our mind this week. This is what we're going in on. Earlier this morning, I got in at a 180 strike price. I sold it for about $1,000. If it executes, it'll tie up $18,000 in cash. If it doesn't, I made $1,000 in profit. That's just over 5% on the money I tied up for 1 week. So me and Cade feeling really good about the implied volatility. Obviously, this is a very aggressive, high-risk play because a levered ETF can go either direction big. We just feel very confident with semis, what's going on. So we think probability of it going up is higher than down. And that's why me and Cade really liked the Soxal at 180. And I think Cade did the same thing. And then me and Cade both threw a second option at 160 to secure just, like I said, options are expensive. We need a huge downward dip. You can see implied volatility is 172 all the way down here. So me and Cade did 2 options, one at 160, one at 180. I believe, Cade, you did the same thing, right?
I have those exact same trades. Yep. And, like Mac was saying, in the Ghost Investing Club, we have a website that's going to be tracking all our profits on this. And so we're excited. We both enter those into our software. We did the 160 because, the percentage of profit was like 80%. We feel very comfortable with that. And then the 180, we're comfortable owning Soxal at 180. And also in the short term, we're fine with that risk tolerance of that trade. These aren't ultra aggressive, but that's just how we're feeling right now.
Yep. That's what we're doing. So we're really excited for this strategy. We're going to keep you informed. Again, these are going to be 5-10 minute videos, just the trades we're doing. As more and more people join the Ghost Investing Club, we're going to kind of create this community where we'll be sharing each other's trades, seeing what people like. But me and Cade will continue each week, show you what we're doing Monday morning, and then show you what it kind of closed at Friday. And we're pumped. We're hoping that, for people who have little less risk tolerance will enjoy this strategy over other strategies we've come up with. So I think we've talked a lot about it on our other playlist, and so we're excited to kind of give you a little less aggressive strategy that, of course, me and Cade are being the most aggressive doing.
That's right.
Cade, is that all you wanted to go with the trades?
Yeah, let's just do short but sweet. Let's do it.
Okay. See you guys on Friday.
Peace.